Hello and welcome to our fluids instructional video. Today we're going to be talking about streamlines. So what is a streamline? It is defined as a curve that is everywhere tangent to the local fluid velocity. And that's just a fancy way of saying that a streamline is going to show us the general behavior of a fluid as it goes through a certain situation. So why do we care about these? Well, and they're a very useful tool for helping to visualize a flow. So we have here, this picture is of water in blue flowing over this object, and we have the streamlines in red, and you can see they're kind of showing us what this water is going to do as it goes over this object. So how do we actually read these streamlines? Well, a good analogy I think is a topo map. So if you've ever read a topographic map, you know that when these lines are further apart, that's going to mean flatter areas, and when they're closer together, that means a steeper area. So we apply that same kind of thing with a few key differences. So this area over here, where it's a lot more spaced out, is going to be lower velocity, and over here is going to be a lot higher velocity. And one key thing to note is that these arrows are very important, and they're going to tell us basically what direction this flow is coming from. Without these, we don't know if it's coming left or right or where it's coming from. So now that you kind of know the basics of streamlines, we're going to go out into the hydraulic flume and show you what this situation is going to do in real life.
Alright, so here is fluid flowing over our object. Now, which side do you think it's going to go the fastest on? Is it going to go the fastest here, where we have a big cross-sectional area? Here, where we have a medium cross-sectional area? Or down here, where we have a tiny cross-sectional area? We're going to find out.
So we got our brave test pilot here. He's going to show us the waters here. Let's see what happens.